It begins with solid brass, the heart of plumbing performance. Molten metal, heating to over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Die casting, defining the structural silhouette of the faucet. A raw form emerges from the iron womb. Trimming, stripping away the excess to refine the shape. CNC machining, precision milling the interior waterways. Creating the pathways for perfect water flow. Threading. Every connection must be airtight and robust. Preliminary sanding. Removing casting marks for a uniform surface. Robotic polishing. Achieving a consistent, smooth canvas. Quality validation. No imperfections are tolerated. Cleaning. Removing all traces of oil and dust. Pure surface preparation is the key to a lasting finish. Ultrasonic bath. Eliminating contaminants from every internal crevice. Thermal prep. Preparing the metal for the final coating. The PVD chamber, where engineering meets modern alchemy. Ion bombardment, fusing metal vapor to the brass surface. Molecular transformation, a finish that is harder than steel. A finish that defies time, scratches, and corrosion. Ergonomic validation. The lever must feel premium. Precision assembly. The heart of the control system.
Smooth as glass. Engineering the perfect flow.
Leak testing. Absolute reliability is the requirement. Hermetic seal. 0 leaks allowed. Precision aeration. Creating a soft, champagne-like flow. Flexible nozzles. Designed to prevent mineral buildup. Simulating real-world flow dynamics. Hydration engineering. Perfect flow distribution. The final shine. Enhancing the deep, metallic luster. The signature of quality, etched with light.
Fragile beauty. Safeguarding the finish.
Packing the experience of luxury. Designed for ease of integration. The tactile sensation of premium hardware. Scaling precision for the global market. An environment engineered for perfection. The touch of quality.
Beauty in motion.
surface engineering excellence. Automated consistency. Precision from the inside out. The forge of utility. Digital control of atomic processes. The byproduct of creation. Order in production. Tiny details for maximum comfort. Seamless mechanical interaction.
Verifying alignment.
Sophisticated aesthetics. Logistics of luxury. Built to survive a lifetime. Precision branding.
Final polish.
Diversity in design.
The energy of production. The raw beginning. Liquid potential. Birth of form. Efficient handling. Cool precision. Human touch.
Deep cleaning.
The vacuum gate. Atomic fusion. Internal integrity.
Performance consistency.
The feeling of rain.
Authentic identity.
Ready for home.
Designed for the hand.
Elegant light.
Scaled engineering. Sustained power. Forceful accuracy. Calculating the flow. Tight security. Smoothing surfaces. Smoothing surfaces.
Here we observe the clear chemical reaction of electrolysis, where electrical energy drives the decomposition of water into its constituent elements.
Sealing the process. Molecular bond.
Uniformity check.
Heartbeat installation. Absolute proof.
Functional design.
Quality assured.
Ready to ship.
Mark of excellence.
Integration. Mastery of fluid.
Interior artistry.
Engineering the flow of life.